Hello friends, welcome to Rajendra Ravi Tech Support. Today I am showing that skid steer loader. What is skid steer loader? It is a steerable in both right and left direction. So it is called as a steer skid loader. Today we will talk about GEHL skid steer loader 4240. GEHL skid loader 4240. GEHL is an American company founded on 1859. The approx price of this skid loader is 17 to 18 lakhs. The operating weight is 2087 kg and the shipping weight is 18,400. The engine fitted is NMR 40NV 88. The HP is 46. The capacity of track chain 7.6 liter, engine 8.6, fuel tank 47 liter. And what is the application of skid loader? The skid loader is used in excavation, grading, demolition, lifting weight in construction, road works. And if you put an attachment, we can dig a hole in this skid loader. There are various of application but mentioned around 6 points. Then what is the maintenance and service? Hydraulic oil ISO VG46, every 2000 hours we should change it. Track chain, say 15W40, every 1000 hours we should change. Engine oil 15W40, every 250 hours it should be changed. Air filter every 2000 or 1000, it is depending upon the dust environment. Hydraulic filter every 5000 hours we should replace it. Engine oil filter every 250 hours it should be replaced. Fuel filter every 250 hours it should be replaced. Okay, thank you friends, subscribe my channel.